Yo, bro, you ready to go?
Bro, I can't.
Why?
My phone's dead.
Bro, you need to chill out first, okay? Take this.
What is this?
It's a portable charger.
Whoa.
Yeah, it has the regular phone charger, and also it has the Type-C charger.
No way. And it charges my phone perfectly.
Yup, and it also shows the battery life of it.
No way. That's so sick, man. And we could charge your phone at the same time
Yup.
because you have the newer phone. Wow, man. Where'd you get it from?
I got it off the TikTok shop.
Bro, this looks pretty expensive. How much you got it for?
I got it off for $10, bro.
$10? You got this for $10.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Bro, that's so cheap.